a rope was used to wind around two identical cylinders. So the rope will be here and wind around and stop here. Okay. They say that the figure below shows the top view. So you're looking at the top over here of the two cylinder held tightly by the rope. So tightly, that means there's no loose rope here and there. Each cylinder has a diameter of 14 cm. Find the area of the shaded part. To find the shaded part, how do you go about doing this? Let me teach you. If I draw a line down over here, okay, this entire thing from here to here to here to here is either a rectangle or a square. We have to find this shape, which is either a rectangle or a square, and we have to minus this semicircle 1 and semicircle 2. After you minus these two semicircle, you're going to be left with this number 4, number 3, and number 4 over here. Okay, and then you just divide by 2 and you'll be able to get this. So let's figure out how to get this shape first. So to get this shape, right, we have to find the entire thing over here. So we have to find the dimensions. Now, if this is the diameter, this will also be the diameter, which is the same. So I'm going to write down over here, from here to here, it is also 14 cm, from here to here. So, alright, so it's 14 cm. Now, how to find this part over here? If this is 14 cm and this is the center of the circle, doesn't it mean that this will be 7? Okay, so same goes for this. If this entire thing is 14 and they're both identical, right? Doesn't this mean that this one is 7 also? So if this 7 and this 7, isn't this entire thing 14? So from here to here, it will be 14 cm. Now that we get this right, so what is this? This is a square. So we have to find the area of the square first. Once we find the area of the square, we minus the semicircle, and then we divide by 2 to find the shaded portion. Okay, so this is actually how you need to visualize the question. Do not just go ahead and start writing all the working first. You need to strategize. Once you have strategized it, right, your working is going to be a lot shorter and then you're going to do it a lot faster. Okay, do not just anyhow throw yourself into the question and then panic when you don't get answer. Now let's find the area of the square first. So area of square, this will be 14 multiplied by 14. And if you just throw this into your calculator, 14 multiplied by 14, that will give us 196 cm square. Now we need to find these two semicircles. But since they're identical, can't I just combine them? Once I combine them, you'll be one circle already, right? So area of circle. So area of circle, remember, is pi r square, pi times r times r. So your pi given to be 3.14, so I'm going to write 3.14. And what's the radius for this one? Radius is 7, right? Because the diameter is 14, therefore radius will be 7. So it's 3.14 multiplied by 7 times 7. And let's figure it out. 3.14 multiplied by 7 times 7. And this will give us 153.86 cm squared. So now we really got this. So we have the area of the square, we have the area of the semicircle. I'm going to take this square minus the semicircle. And that will give us number 3 and then number 4. So 3 plus 4 will be equivalent to 196 minus this 153.86. And therefore this will give us 42.14. So remember that this 42.14 is equivalent to 3 plus 4, and I only want to find 4, and they are both equal. So what can we do? Number 4 would be 42.14 divided by 2, giving us 21.07 cm squared. Done. This is how you approach the question. Okay, always visualize it, get all your dimensions, get as many dimensions as you can as possible, and then go and label those stuff. Once you're labeled, then you can start doing. Do not just throw yourself into the question first for circles type or area type of question. You need to strategize it. So for parents who are watching this, do not just tell your kids the answer. Lead them to it. It's just that in this video I have no choice. I cannot lead you all because there is you're not gonna respond. I mean, like, it's not as if someone else gonna start like whispering in my ear your response. No. Which means that I need to guide you through my own train of thoughts, and you have to follow my train of thoughts. Meaning that you need to think the same way that I do, and this will be able to get you the answer. Okay, done.